Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create the turn horizontally animation to text in CapCut. So in here, I've already imported a clip and I'm going to just write the text first. Add text. And here I'm going to just write first. Okay. I'm going to write two tags. Okay, click on the check icon. Now I'm going to place the tags in here and the second tags at the bottom. Okay, and to add the animation, the turn horizontally animation, you just need to click on the text and go to animations. Under the in category, find the turn horizontally. So just scroll down until you find the one. Okay, this one, turn horizontally. Click on that. So after this, you just need to adjust the duration of the animation. Okay, I'm going to go with that. And also for the second text, I'm going to add the same animation. Okay, click on the check icon and this will be the final result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.